What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be fixing the broken seat latch on my little XR4 or ST150. Now, I went to put my gym bag in it a couple of weeks ago and I carefully pulled the latch as I was told to do by the previous owner, and even by being as careful as possible, the plastic sort of clip mechanism decided to snap. So I'm hoping I can fix it just with this replacement one that I had lying around. I don't think it should take too long to sort of swap over or fix. It'll be a completely different story if the cable is snapped or worn. I know I can get replacement kits, I think, online, like on eBay or something like that, but hopefully it's just a straight pull off, inspect, and put this one on. So probably going to be a short video, or at least I hope so. But yeah, hopefully it helps any of you Mark 6 owners out. All right, so got the toolkit down there and a spare screwdriver, because apparently, from what I have looked up, I will need 2 flathead screwdrivers to pop this mechanism out. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, because from the looks of it, it looks a bit loose. It doesn't feel like it's in super well, so I might be able to just wiggle it out by hand like I'm doing now. There we go. All right, so again, I don't really know what I'm looking at here. Here's that one. And there's the other one. So one says right, one says left. So obviously they're different. I don't know if this one will actually even work on that one. They might be a slightly different orientation. From the looks of it though, they don't look to be any different. Which one's that? That's the right one. And that's the one that says left. They don't look any different to me. Now, I don't know if there's something in here that's broken. It looks like that tab there's almost been shaved off or snapped off, because that one's quite visible there. So, all right. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm looking at here, in all honesty, guys. I assume that's the cable mechanism there. So, I mean, if I put a new one on, the one I've got sitting there, maybe it'll just clip in and work. From all the videos I've seen, it's just been this cable sort of bit there. But yeah, I'm not too sure. I reckon we'll grab this left one here and we'll try and, I guess, place it on and see if it'll clip in. So yeah, doesn't feel like it wants to really go without some force. Might have to sort of double check and see what this piece is and see if it'll actually want to clip in here. It might just take a bit of pushing and shoving, but from what I've seen on the other side, it does look a little bit different. So we'll have a look. Okay, so just so you guys don't make my mistake, I tried putting this one in by itself and I hadn't put the seat forward to get some sort of I guess lack of tension on the little sort of pulley here, and it decided to snap on me. So I'll eventually get that out of the seat at some point. If not, you know, I'm sure I'll have to change the cable. So for now, I'm gonna have to just deal with the one that came off, which isn't broken at all. It's got no issues. The tab here, as I sort of showed you guys before, is, but I mean, it should still clip in pretty easy, or at least good enough for now. I can always change it later on. So now that this is sort of here in its spot, you're meant to sort of put it directly in the middle and line it up. And then I believe get the little metal sort of clip or capture point and get it on the sort of inside hook here as you're doing it. So I'll carefully try my best to not stuff it up a second time. If not, I'll have to just order another one of these and maybe a new cable, who knows. Let's hope not though, because it looks like this sort of mechanism here has seen some better days. So I'll set the camera down and I'll put it in a position where you guys can hopefully see me trying to clip it in, and once it's in, we'll push the seat back and we'll make sure it works. So as I said before, try and make sure that's in the middle position. There we go. The little metal sort of lug nut piece is in position. So again, it's not clipped in super tight because it's not brand new, but it's in there pretty well. It feels like it's not going to come out. No, that's totally fine. That's locked in. So hopefully now, if I pull it back and then I pull this again, easy peasy. There you go. I find it kind of funny how the sort of top of the headrest is actually smacking the headliner, but there you go. So easy as that. That's in there good enough for me. Not like I ever have passengers in the back, but you know, if you do, it's always good to make sure that this works, because you know, you don't want people climbing through the boot, obviously, because that's just impractical and not very good. The passenger side one doesn't need fixing. That one's been pretty much good since I had the car. It was just the driver side one decided to die on me or snap on me, but that's the original part that was in beforehand, so maybe it just needed realigning. So there you have it. All right, so there you have it. That was me fixing the little seat latch on my XR4. Didn't take me too long. Again, hope this helps you guys out. I tried to find a few videos, and there is a couple, but not too many. Try to make it easy to follow and sort of show you guys how basic it is. So again, it would be a different story if the cable was broken. If the cable ever does break on this car, I will be doing a video on how to fix that, and I guess making it a separate sort of segment, but fingers crossed that isn't anytime soon. I don't want to be taking the seats out and doing all that nonsense. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, as it really does help me out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.